Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the HID-compliant mouse appears in Device Manager. This tells you the OS recognizes hardware. Once done, unplug the mouse and try a different USB port to rule out a power or port fault, and test a second mouse to isolate the computer versus device. Make sure to note the current driver name and Windows build because you may need to revert settings. Start with these checks so the next steps act on diagnostic facts, not guesses. Next, refresh the driver. Right-click the HID-compliant mouse and choose Update Driver. If that fails, uninstall the device, then select Scan for hardware changes so Windows reinstalls it. If the problem persists, download and install the motherboard or USB controller drivers from the PC maker, because generic drivers sometimes misbehave. Also check power options. Disable selective suspend for USB root hub so the OS won't power cycle the port. To finish, if drivers and power settings didn't help, use System Restore to revert to a known good state. This undoes recent installs that may break HID behavior. Try the mouse on another computer to confirm hardware integrity. For wired mice, inspect or replace the cable, and for wireless, swap the receiver or batteries. If still failing, boot into safe mode to see if third-party drivers are causing the issue. If it works in safe mode, remove recently installed apps or drivers and reinstall cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.